question now. Write down the question. The position vectors of the points A and B. The position vectors of the points A and B are vector A and vector B, vector A and vector B respectively. Vector A and vector B respectively. P divides AB in the ratio 3:1. P divides AB in the ratio 3:1. Q is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of AB. Then the position vector of Q is option A, 5A vector plus 3B vector divided by 8. Option B, A vector plus 3B vector divided by 4. Option C, 3A vector plus 5B vector divided by 4. Option D, 3A vector plus B vector divided by 4.
Option D.
The option D. Option D. Okay. Now, let's see what is the problem. The position vector of the points A and B are A and B. So, we have a straight line. This is the point A, whose position vector is A. This is the point B, whose position vector is vector B. That means vector point A is defined by vector A. When I say vector A here, you should understand that it is A1i cap plus A2j cap plus A3k cap. That is what I mean by vector A. So what are they tried now? A1, A2, A3. So this is a three-dimensional point in space with the coordinates A1, A2, A3. That's how you should understand. And similarly, what is the point B? B1, B2, B3. Okay. Now there is a point P which is dividing AB in the ratio 3:1. It divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So here it is 3 parts and this is 1 part. So this is P. And what is the ratio of division? 3:1. Q is the midpoint of AP. Now you got AP. Now the midpoint is Q. Okay. Now you need to find out the position vector of. You have to find out the position vector of. Now when you look at this problem is matching section formula of analytical geometry. So you need to know the vector form of the section formula and use it. If the position vector is A and the position vector is B, say if P divides in the ratio M is to N, then P is given by
M vector M
into B vector plus N into A vector divided by M plus N. By using that formula, let us first find out the position vector of B. Then we take midpoint because it is given that Q is the midpoint of A. Then we will use midpoint formula. Okay. Now, the position vector of the point B. The position vector of the point B. Can you tell me what is the position vector? 3 into vector B plus 1 into
No sir, M vector B is MD.
Formula is C. M into vector B plus N into vector A divided by M plus N. That's correct. What is the confusion now? What What is the confusion? Okay. Now refer to your notes. Refer to your notes and also refer to the material that I have given.
What is the safety of Na plus Mb by M plus N?
This is the correct formula. I have referred to that with second year QC board presentation. Okay. This is the correct formula. This is MB vector. Make sure of that. Yeah, it's good. It's there in the material also. If you want, we can derive it. If you have any confusion, we can derive and check out which is the correct one. You want me to derive? That won't be asked in the examination. Remember, the formula is M into vector B. So accordingly, what will you get the position vector?
Answer B.
See, this is the position vector of the point P. This is the position vector of the point P. So it is PB plus vector A divided by 4. Now Q is the midpoint. So we use the midpoint formula. Now since Q is the midpoint, the position vector of point A is vector A. So Q should be equal to PV of Q. Position vector of Q is vector A plus 3B vector plus A vector by 4 whole divided by 2. What is the midpoint formula of vector A and vector B? Vector A plus vector B divided by 2. So this is position vector of A, this is position vector of B. So vector A plus 3B plus vector A by 4 by 2 according to the midpoint formula. So numerator becomes 4A vector plus 3B vector plus A vector divided by 8. So 5A vector plus 3B vector divided by 8. Option A is the correct answer. Okay.